Oh, Hawkeye, Holler Nation, stand up and welcome back to the channel. Welcome to part one of our first Monster Truck King of the Hill of 2023. Now, we abruptly came to an end with the Super King of the Hill. So seriously, thank you guys for bearing with me and sticking with the channel. We are on the road to 10,000 subscribers. So if you're not already, subscribe and ring that bell. Become part of the Hawkeye Holler Nation today, where you could win this awesome Hot Wheels ID track set for free. But we got to hit 10,000 subscribers before we even get to that point. So, you know, we're only 800 away, so you know what, you guys know what to do. Now, with the Super King of the Hill coming to an end, we are doing a two-part King of the Hill where we will crown our first Monster Truck King of 2023. Now, in my update video, I was going to race the Hot Wheels trucks first, but since they really proved what they had to be here, except for Godzilla, he was a shoo-in. They are going to race Sunday. We are going to race the Monster Jam monster trucks today. So we got 16 trucks. One will advance to Sunday. I am excited. I hope you guys are as well. I got to give a huge thank you to my YouTube members and my Patreon members for always supporting the channel. Seriously, y'all, thank you so much. Don't forget, if you show your support over on Patreon, patreon.com/HawkeyeHoller, up on the screen right now, or right here on YouTube, you guys get your name on a piece of orange track. Now remember, Hot Wheels Racing is exclusive to Patreon. For $1, you get access to Hot Wheels Racing over on Patreon. Those videos are starting up here very soon. Actually, once I get done filming these videos, I will be filming the first Hot Wheels video for Patreon. So if you're not already, head over to Patreon. For $1, you're able to get access to some Hot Wheels Racing. Now, let's get these babies. These aren't babies. Well, some of them are babies. Let's get these BBTs up and ready to race. Who's it gonna be? All right, kicking off race number one, you're gonna have Crush Station taking on Earth Shaker. All right, this is gonna be one and done. First truck down to the gate is the winner. Now remember, this gate likes to bite. All right, we got the slow-mo cam down there at the finish line. Here we go. And it looks like it's going to be the mighty Earth Shaker getting the first win. They're advancing to the next round. Race number two brings us to Higher Education taking on Whiplash. All right, which one of these trucks is going to get it done? All right, I know Higher Education is a heavyweight. Let's see what happens. Whiplash has always proven to be strong. They were fast in our Super King of the Hill last year. All right, up next you got Monster MUTT Poodle taking on Rage. Oh man, Rage and that S10 is pretty stinking cool. Now, Monster MUTT Poodle did win our Who Let the Dogs Out last year. It's a very fast casting. Here we go. Great drag race between these two trucks, but Monster MUTT Poodle advances. Coming up next, you got one of my favorite trucks, the Big Kahuna, taking on Gravedigger, the Legend. All right, here we go between these two trucks. Let's get it done. Go. Oh! Oh, I thought Gravedigger was going to come back on the big end, but again, the finish line bites back. The big Kahuna moves on. Up next, you're going to have the Wolf's Head taking on Radical Rescue. All right, Wolf's Head and Radical Rescue. It's going to be a good one. Let's go. Oh, looks like Wolf's Head just did not want to show up. Radical Rescue will move on. Up next, you got the Joker taking on Monster Mutt Rottweiler. Couple of vicious foes right here. Who's gonna get it done? All right, I think the Joker's gonna get this one. Here we go. You saw it there in real time. Rottweiler mounted the curb, slowed down his momentum. Joker moves on. Next up, you got the very heavy Mystery Machine taking on Max D. Max D is running those Raft tires. Let's see if that's an advantage. Is Scooby and the gang gonna get this one done? Here we go. An absolute lights out race from the Mystery Machine. They're moving on. All right, our final race of the first round, Excalibur versus the Boogie Van. Two of my favorite trucks from this year. Who's it gonna be? Excalibur versus the Boogie Van. Let's get it going. Here we go. Every single event Excalibur is in, he does so very well. Could he take it all here today? All right, 8 trucks have packed up their tailgates and went home. 8 trucks remain. Who moves on to the round of 4? Up first, you're going to have Earthshaker taking on Whiplash. All right, this should be a pretty good bout between these 2 trucks. Here we go. Too wide at the line in favor of the mighty Earthshaker. Up next for the round of 8, you got Monster Mutt Poodle and the Big Kahuna. All right, pink versus blue. Here we go. Another great race between these two competitors, and it goes to the big Kahuna. All right, here we go. It's Radical Rescue taking on the Joker. All right, here we go between the Joker and Radical Rescue. Yeah, I think the Joker got lucky with his first win. He was up against a great truck in this one. Radical Rescue advances. One final race for the round of 8. You got the Mystery Machine taking on Excalibur. Also, I do apologize. They are doing some yard work outside of the garage, and I hope they're not getting stuff all over my Camaro. But that's all right. Here we go. Mystery Machine and Excalibur. Here we go. And Excalibur's run comes to an end. He was up against that heavyweighted Mystery Machine. That's all right. Great run from him anyways. Another 4 trucks have gone home. 4 remain. Oh my goodness. All 4 of them see that Sunday finale in their sights. All right, here we go. Kicking off the round of 4. It's Earthshaker and the Big Kahuna. All right, Earthshaker and the Big Kahuna. Who moves on to the final round? Let's go. The Big Kahuna on the big end takes down Earthshaker. I did not see that coming. Big Kahuna could be fighting for a crown on Sunday. All right, our last race for the round of 4. It's Radical Rescue taking on the Mystery Machine. Winner takes on the Big Kahuna. Radical Rescue and the Mystery Machine. Oh, we're underway. We're racing. That was a fair race. They just jumped the gate, both of them, but hey, that is a-okay. Radical Rescue moves on. And here we are at our final one and done race of day number 1 of this 2-part Monster Truck King of the Hill. You're gonna have the Big Kahuna taking on Radical Rescue. One of these trucks will move on to Sunday to face a Hot Wheels monster truck. One of them goes home. Who's it gonna be? Oh, say it with me, 2 wide at the line in favor of the Big Kahuna. And just like that, Big Kahuna will win day number 1. He is the Spin Master Monster Jam truck, advancing to the Sunday finale, where he will take on one Hot Wheels truck and fight for a crown. Could we see Big Kahuna become the monster truck king of the hill? All right, we'll leave the Big Kahuna there until Sunday. Now don't forget, Sunday we are racing the Hot Wheels monster trucks, where one of them will take on the Big Kahuna and fight for the first monster truck king of the hill crown of 2023. That's gonna do it. Go ahead, show your support for the channel over on Patreon. That is where we are racing Hot Wheels. Memberships start at $1 over there, or become a YouTube member, aka a pit crew member, for $3 right here on YouTube. I got 4 tiers over on Patreon. Head over there, check it out, and witness some amazing Hot Wheels content over there. On the road to 10,000 subscribers, so you guys know what to do. I will see you next time here at the Hauler. Peace, love, and diecast racing. I am out of here. Oh, also, go pick up your merch. Link down below. See ya.